Thinking about upgrading your kitchen with a new electric range? Wait a second, don't rush into it just yet. With so many options out there, from stylish slide-ins to heavy-duty freestanding models, it can be tough to figure out which one is actually worth the money. In this video, we'll walk you through the top electric ranges of 2025, highlighting the ones that really stand out for cooking performance, smart features, and overall value. By the end, you'll know exactly which model will fit your kitchen and lifestyle without spending extra on the wrong choice. And before we get started, check out the links below for the newest deals on every product we mention. Let's jump in. Number 5. Whirlpool Smart Slide-In Electric Range. The Whirlpool Smart Electric Range is a high-performance appliance with rich features, blending robust cooking capability with intelligent technology, and is an excellent choice for modern connected kitchens. Engineered to provide power and convenience, it seamlessly integrates with your devices and home system for a more seamless experience. At the heart is a responsive touchscreen that not only provides instant access to several preset options, but also remembers your most frequent choices to keep daily use fast and efficient. The oven provides sharp and even heat, and with its multi-step cooking feature, it automatically regulates temperature along the way. Ideal for recipes that take patience and finesse. As a convection oven, it distributes heat evenly, automatically adjusts recipes for convection settings, and ensures dishes come out golden and crisp without extra effort. Its large capacity is well suited for family meals or hosting gatherings, and the built-in party mode keeps food warm until it's ready to serve. As another convenience feature, Scan to Cook allows you to scan the barcode on a frozen meal, and the oven will retrieve precise cooking instructions without you having to guess. On the cooktop, there is plenty of room for multiple pots and pans, as well as an adaptive heating element that adjusts from 6 to 12 inches to fit your cookware. Cleanup is similarly considerate, with a self-clean cycle, an easy wipe ceramic finish, and dishwasher-safe knobs that ensure maintenance is hassle-free. Safety is also addressed. With a control lock mode, you can enable from your phone remotely, locking the appliance out when you're not around and providing you with additional peace of mind. In total, the Whirlpool Smart Electric Range is more than just cooking. You can customize to your requirements, streamlining every meal to be quicker, simpler, and more fun with performance, convenience, and connectivity all sorted. Number 4. KitchenAid Double Oven Electric Range. The KitchenAid Double Oven is designed for families and entertainers who want the convenience of cooking several dishes simultaneously. Featuring a total of 6.7 cubic feet of storage space split between the top and bottom ovens, it's simple to roast an entire turkey in one while baking a tray of cookies in the other. There are individual temperature controls in every oven, so you can cook multiple recipes simultaneously side by side, and even convection heating to provide consistent, trustworthy results on every rack. Perhaps most practical of all is the satin glide rack that slides so easily in and out so you can confidently handle heavy pots with ease. The cooktop adds to the versatility of the oven by providing 5 burners, one of which is a flexible element that from 6 to 12 inches to accommodate many different sizes of cookware. There's also a warming zone that holds dishes warm and ready to serve until the time comes. Although this model lacks a storage drawer, it compensates with a sophisticated stainless steel finish and contemporary touch controls that provide it with a sleek, high-end look. Large oven windows allow you to monitor progress without having to open the door and let heat escape, and the built-in self-cleaning feature reduces cleaning when tidying up is due. With its roomy configuration, consistent heating capability, and considerate features such as adjustable burners and glide-out shelves, this KitchenAid range is capable of accommodating everything from everyday meals to special occasions. For anyone who likes having company or cooking in large quantities, it provides the space, convenience, and looks that make kitchen time less complicated and more enjoyable. Number 3. Samsung Bespoke 6.3 cu Foot Slide-In Electric Induction Range. The Samsung Bespoke Smart Induction Range brings stylish modernity, ruggedness, and high-tech capabilities together to provide home chefs precision and convenience. Coated in fingerprint-proof stainless steel with a scratch-proof glass cooktop, it has an immaculate appearance that easily integrates into any kitchen. Induction technology is the real showstopper, with its fast heating and precise temperature control, so that meals cook up faster and more efficiently. The spacious capacity of the oven is perfect for cooking several dishes simultaneously or accommodating extra-large cookware, ideal for holidays, gatherings, or dinner parties. On the stovetop, versatility is achieved with a 7-inch sink burner that combines two zones into a single larger surface area, ideal for a griddle or large pans. The air fry mode that comes pre-installed provides even greater versatility, so you can have healthier fried foods without the use of an additional appliance. Smart capabilities make it connectable to the SmartThings app, which allows you to preheat, change settings from anywhere, and have access to recipe ideas or meal plans for the week to help streamline meal preparation. Cleanup is also streamlined thanks to the dual self-cleaning options, including a quick steam clean cycle that finishes in just 20 minutes. One consideration is cookware. Because it's induction, you'll need compatible pots and pans like stainless steel or cast iron to get the best results. All in all, the Samsung Bespoke Smart Induction range presents a highly capable combination of performance, smart features, and sleek styling, making it an intelligent upgrade for anyone seeking to bring their kitchen into the future with a versatile and future-proof cooking solution. Number 2. Frigidaire, 30 inches. 5-burner freestanding electric range. The Frigidaire electric range is a solid choice for anyone who needs a reliable oven without paying top dollar. It provides fast, even heat and shows you don't have to spend money on an expensive aftermarket model to achieve consistent performance in the kitchen. While it skips some of the advanced features you'd find in higher-end ranges, its straightforward design is built to last and offers plenty of capacity for everyday meals, whether it's a weeknight casserole, a Sunday roast, or a tray of fresh cookies. The cooktop includes 5 heating elements, with a standout 3,000-watt quick boil burner that makes heating large pots or boiling water impressively fast. A twin expandable burner element provides flexibility, allowing you to adjust the burner size to your pan for effective cooking without energy waste. The outside is fingerprint-resistant stainless steel and combined with sleek LED touchscreen controls, providing a neat, modern appearance that sits well alongside other appliances. Practical touches extend to the bottom storage drawer, which provides a handy place to keep extra racks, baking sheets, or cookware when not in use. One trade-off is the lack of a self-cleaning function, meaning you will need to handle maintenance manually to keep it in top shape. Even so, its ease of use, steady performance, and thoughtful design more than make up for that limitation. At less than $800, the Frigidaire electric range provides great value, bringing together durability, functionality, and looks to serve the everyday demands of most homes with conviction. Number 1. GE Profile Smart Double Oven Electric Range. The GE Profile electric range takes its place on the list of top picks by bringing together intelligent tech, versatile design, and powerful cooking performance into one high-quality appliance. As a smart range, it is compatible with the GE app, so you can adjust settings, preheat from another room, or see if the oven is turned off, while bringing you peace of mind and convenience no matter where you are. Its dual oven configuration provides spacious capacity, permitting a main course to be cooked in one compartment and sides or desserts in the other. For fast snacks, no preheat air fry mode provides crunchy outcomes in minutes, and the genuine convection system maintains even heat throughout every rack. On the stovetop, capabilities such as a rapid power boil element and coordinated burners offer flexibility, whether cooking with an ordinary pan or setting down a griddle for larger meals. An integrated temperature probe offers even more accuracy, allowing you to monitor the advancement of roasts and large cuts without ever opening the oven door and losing heat. The outside is designed in modern, fingerprint-resistant stainless steel, with clean, easy-to-use controls that are easy on the fingers of cooks of any experience level. Cleanup is a snap as well due to an integrated self-cleaning cycle. Although it is more expensive than some models, its robustness, high-end features, and smart features thoughtfully incorporated make it a worthwhile investment. For families who need both daily reliability and sophisticated cooking features, The GE Profile electric range is among the finest kitchen upgrades 2025 has to offer. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe so you don't miss the next one. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments, so drop them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.